Hi friends, in this video, you learn how to fix yellow teeth in Photoshop. So many peoples know to change or fix teeth color, but that's not look sharp or realistic. If you use this method, that's show great result. First, unlock your image. Go and select lasso tool, then make a selection around teeth. After selection, go to Color panel, then open Hue and Saturation. Select Teeth Sample Color. Now drag like this. If you don't know how to make a smooth face, then watch this I button video. Okay, it's look very sharp and whiten. Hope you liked it. Subscribe, must.